Okay, let's look at this question here. You're given log base 5 of 12 equals p, and the first question that you're asked to look at is log base 5 of 12 to the power of 7. So somehow we want to be able to use substitution. We want to substitute all of this in the expressions below with p. So before we can do that, we have to remember some of our properties. First of all, you have to remember that exponent property. It says that if you have log base a of m to the power of r, we can write that r as a factor. So we've taken r from an exponent, we've written r as a factor. So here, we could take that 7 and write this as 7 times log base 5 of 12. Remember, we want to substitute. All of this becomes p. All right, we need to remember some properties before we do this one. We have that property that says log base a of m divided by n can be written as the difference of logs. So I can write this as log base 5 of 144 minus log base 5 of 5. Now let's look at each of those. Log base 5 of 144, well, I'm wanting a 12. I can write this as log base 5 of 12 squared. So we can also go back to that property here. I can write that exponent as a power. We still have to deal with this. Log base 5 of 5 equals, well, remember, this is 5 to the power of what equals 5? 5 to the power of 1. That's another one of those properties, right? Log base a of a equals 1. We could also think of that as the natural log of e equals 1. The common log of 10 equals 1. So all of this minus 1. And of course, we're substituting. Log base 5 of 12. 2p minus 1.